there, welcome to my channel. My name is Molly and here we do sewing, crafts, and fun, and it has been a while. I'll tell you more about that later, but today we're gonna make some skirts. I've been really into skirts. I don't want to wear pants anymore, so we're gonna flesh out my wardrobe with some skirts. Let's get started and I'll show you what I'm thinking about making. All right, over here I have this cute little pencil skirt that I've been trying to wear, but it is a wee bit tight. And I thought we could use this fabric to make a just slightly larger version so that I can be a little more comfortable but still have that same vibe. I also have some cute red things in my wardrobe that I think would go really cute with this. I'm gonna start tracing these out. Slight concern already. I might have cut this too small. Your girl's weight fluctuates a lot. So that's another reason for trying to expand my wardrobe and make more skirts so that I have more options. But I think I might have started off a little bit tinier than we needed it to be. I'm just gonna make it and see what happens. We'll go from there. A trigger warning, I messed up my eye. It's fine. It's just kind of bloody. How's it going? We're back. We're making skirts. I'm gonna try and stitch this together. We're gonna adapt, evolve, overcome. We need some darts in this skirt, but it's a little tight. I mean, blah, blah, blah. There is room in here right now. I have to put in a zipper so that it doesn't just pop open. I'm thinking we put in zipper and lining, and then if we still have some wiggle room up in the top, we'll put in darts after that. So I gotta go get my zipper from my room. You know, it's bad news bears, I'm studying for it. I'm training for a 15K, but I still get winded going up 2 flights of stairs, and that's mildly concerning. What colors do we have here? My Joann's looks like it's been through an apocalypse. Like the last time I went, everything was empty. It was as if the zombies had come, and instead of going for the canned goods, everybody was like, you know what we need? Sewing notions. I was able to find 4 zippers, and that was it. 4 zippers in the sides I need, and then nothing else. My fellow sewists know that it's a creative time. We are all in need, I suppose. So I did some finishing stitches. Let's see if you can see this. Zigzags on the edges. Trying to keep this from unraveling as much as I can. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna put this together now, so I'm just gonna futz around and find out. And I'll try and update you as I go. Okay, I know what I did now. I'm going to tell you what it is. So I basically took the 2 pieces, put the lining inside out, and then sewed across the top to attach them. This needs to be ironed, flattened, and made pretty. I was gonna do a waistband, but my test skirt that I based the pattern off of didn't have one. And I think maybe I'll just leave it like that. I'm like, it's gonna hit at the right spot, so maybe we don't. Now I'm gonna try and put in that zipper to this area here. And then I think I'll trim top down and give it a good press. No, I should do that first because otherwise it's not gonna be cute. I left the iron on. Trying not to burn down my house. Look at this! It's not done. The zipper, everything is going really well. Lining is good. It is too loose around the top, so I am gonna have to put some darts in here. I'm not sure, but right now I have to go walk my dogs. So I think we'll come back to this tomorrow and go from there. Hello, my dears. All right, so I've put on the skirt. What I'm going to do is try and put 2 little darts right in here. So we are snuggly wuggly in the front. I was going to put them in the front, but I think if it looks ugly, I want it on the back. So that is next step. So that worked pretty well. I'm surprised because I have a pretty drastic waist to hip measurement. I got big hips. The darts did their job. So I'm going to iron them in, add a hem, and then I will show you the reveal of this skirt. Let's catch up a bit while I press this hem in. It's been a while. Molly, did you mean to take a 4-month hiatus? No, absolutely not. You know, I made a lot of videos in October, or a lot for me, at least. And after that, I decided I needed a little break. And after that, I got kind of sad. I wasn't really feeling like partaking in my hobbies. A lot has happened since then. I'm doing a whole lot better. Just a happy camper, doing well. Took some time to chill out, and it really did help. It wasn't anything big. I think I just got the seasonal sads, as we are wont to do come the darkness times. I'm not measuring this, by the way. I'm just sort of throwing it in. It's the lining. It's gonna be fine. But a whole lot has changed. I got my ears pierced a bunch of times. I started training for a 15K. That's going fine. I've been hanging out with friends a lot. Do you remember in my last video when I said this about dating? So my plan right now is to go into date hibernation. Didn't work. Met a lovely lad. Decided to keep him. So that's been nice. But basically, things are just going really well. I always give myself New Year's resolutions, and one of them is always make more videos, make more content. I really want to lean into that this year, but I'm also gonna just try and listen to what I need mental health wise and follow that and not beat myself up. We'll see. I have no idea. I have no idea what this year is gonna look like in terms of YouTubing, but I'm happy and excited. Can you hear all that rain? I'm not gonna find out until later, but whoa, it's so loud and it's so wet and soggy. I just took my dogs for a walk and the poor things were like, Mom, why are we doing this the whole time? I didn't film a reveal for this skirt, so I'm gonna show it to you now. Because I decided to wear it today. Ta-da! Ow. Yep, this is the skirt, and I quite like it. The back is a little bit pointy here. I should have done 2 darts in the front as well, but I know that for next time. I expected there to be a lot more to this video, but I think I need to start making smaller, easier videos because this has already taken me way too long, and I do want to actually post things every once in a while. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more, it's about so long I don't remember my outro. Be brave and do your best. Okay, bye.